Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. No me notification bell no. Send the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And we just a ginger biscuit. All ingredients are written in the description box below. What they 1/3 cup dark syrup. Egu saucepan mu.
Wode 1 teaspoon ginger watri. Wode egum. Na wode sugar 1/3 cup brown sugar. Wode butter 80 gram. Wode akwụsịja so amananane. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Anana wie na dey see in chain. Now dey 1.5 cup all-purpose flour egu bowl mu. 1/2 tablespoon fresh ginger. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 mixing it together. Mix it now they will mete butter and mixture na we here this in chain. We share the egu mu. Hold 1 egg aka ho. 1 mixing it na amana for me dough. When we end up to working surface so now we need kakra. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Say we are not what it no born around. Born around in area now don't say the emia so kakra, but yes some man flat me play. Say na say the eye. We are not baking 180 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, no way if you oven, no manajo, no was serve it. Me na me tasty no. It tastes really great. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our ginger biscuit. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.